How to solve 6 power x is equal to 42. Find the value of x. So at first we apply log in both sides. So you can write here log of 6 power x is equal to log of 42 can be written as 6 times 7. Now this power x will move to the base according to this rule. Log m power r is equal to r log m. So it will be x log 6 then is equal to, here you can apply this formula, log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So log of 6 times 7, that means it will be log 6 plus log 7, log 6 plus log 7. Now we need the value of x, so it divided by log 6 in both sides. So divided by log 6 divided by log 6. Now this log 6 will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to log 6 plus log 7 divided by log 6. It can be written as log 6 over log 6 then plus log 7 over log 6. Now x is equal to log 6 divided by log 6, that means on, then plus log 7 divided by log 6, that means it will be log 7 base of 6. According to this formula, log a divided by log b is equal to log a base of b. So 1 plus log 7 base of 6, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer. How to solve 4 power y is equal to 8. Find the value of y. So 4 power y is same as 2 power 2, then bracket power of y is equal to 8 is same as 2 power 3. Now you can write here 2 power of 2 times y, that means it will be 2y, then is equal to 2 power of 3. Now we see 2 same base, so 2 will be cancelled, power will be equal to power, so it will be 2y is equal to 3. Now we need the value of y, so divided by 2 in both sides, so divided by 2 divided by 2. Now we see this 2 will be cancelled. Now y will be equal to 3 by 2. So this is the value of y, so this is our final answer.